Hello everyone, my name is Shirai Parmar and this is my final project for Eecs, which is Automatic Greenhouse Monitoring System. And my automatic greenhouse monitoring system is going to measure four major conditions of greenhouse system. First is temperature of atmosphere using temperature sensor THT22, light intensity using light depending resistor, soil moisture level using soil moisture sensor, and water level of water tank using water level sensor. And using all these four conditions, my Arduino will control fan, heater, light, and water pump through relay board and MOSFET. Now I'm going to explain how my system is going to work in each of these four conditions. First, I'll start with the demonstration of temperature sensor. So when temperature sensor will sense high temperature, which is 22.5 degrees Celsius or more than 22.5 degrees Celsius, then it will turn on the pump. On the other hand, if temperature sensor will sense low temperature, which is 20.5 degrees Celsius or lower than 20.5 degrees Celsius, then it will turn on the heater. Now I'm going to change the temperature of this system using this hot water cup and this ice cream cup in order to turn on this fan and this heater. In the system, it is showing that current temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So if I increase the temperature using this hot water cup, and when the temperature will reach to the 22.5 degrees Celsius, then it will turn on the fan. As we can see that now the current temperature is 23 degrees Celsius and my fan is on. Now I'm going to decrease the temperature of this system using this ice cream cup in order to activate the heater. Right now the current temperature of this system is 21 degrees Celsius. So when this system will detect low temperature, which is 20.5 degrees Celsius or below 20.5 degrees Celsius, then it will activate the heater. As we can see that current temperature is now 20 degrees Celsius and my heater is on. Now I'm going to demonstrate how this light sensor is going to work in this system. If this light sensor will detect low light intensity, then it will turn on this artificial light. But due to high light intensity, it is showing that artificial light is off. If I change the light intensity, then it will turn on this artificial light. And now in the system, it shows that artificial light on due to low light intensity. If I remove my hand, then it will turn off this artificial light, and now in the system it shows that high light intensity, artificial light off. So how this soil moisture sensor is going to work in this system? When this soil moisture sensor will detect wet soil, then it will turn off the pump and this red LED. On the other hand, if this soil moisture sensor will detect dry soil, then it will turn on this water pump and this red LED. But this soil moisture sensor is sensing wet soil at the moment. Due to that reason, this water pump as well as this red LED is in an off condition. And in the system, it is showing that water irrigation system is off. Once this sensor will start sensing dry soil, it will turn on the pump as well as this red LED. And now in the system, it shows that water irrigation system start. After that, once this sensor will start sensing water again, then it will turn off the pump as well as this red LED. Now I'm going to demonstrate how this water level sensor is going to work in this system. Once this water level sensor will start sensing that there is no water inside the water tank, then it will turn on this LED into the warning light, and it will also start the buzzer, and it will turn off this water pump. So if I remove this water sensor out, then it will turn off the water pump as well as now it's buzzing, which means it's giving us a warning sign. And once this sensor will start sensing water again, it will turn on the water pump. And now we can see that water pump is on. In automatic greenhouse monitoring system, there is also one more feature, which is emergency stop button in order to turn off this whole system in the case of emergency. So if I press this button, then it will turn off this whole system. Now the system is off and we can see that everything is off as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.